Welcome back to Invest Global. Today we have a very interesting project talking with the founder and one of their employees. Today we're talking about Herity Network. I'll let them introduce themselves.
Hi, my name is Alexandru Macovei. I'm the CEO of Herity Network project. I am 26 years in legal practice, justice, law enforcement, financial crime, anti-money laundering, GDPR, and also IT law, and member of US Lex Punk DAO. Thank you.
And Alex?
Hi guys, my name is Alex. I am the crypto project advisor for Herity Network. I have been working for a top 3 European broker in Europe as a staff and trading mentor. Also, I have been in the crypto space for quite some time, and I'm helping the wonderful Herity Network team to release their incredible products on the crypto market.
Great. So I think the last time I talked to you guys, I was in Portugal, and you had kind of talked a little bit about the Launchpad and some of the different features that Herity has. Would you be able to explain a little bit more about those?
Yes, of course. Basically, what we are planning is a very interesting idea, and I'm pretty sure that this is not on the open crypto market. Basically, we have two incredible ideas, like the left and right hand. The right hand will be represented by the unique seed investment platform, because let's face it, all of us, we don't have access to that type of investment. I mean, we hear these people that have a lot of money, or maybe venture capital investment companies, and that they have this type of access to investments. So they usually get this opportunity and we don't. And we created this idea for the little guy, people like us, meaning that to give them a chance to invest at an early stage in a crypto project as being a seed investor, like a venture capital investor. Basically, what we will do, we will have a launchpad, or sorry, a platform where we will pull and we'll add interesting crypto projects, and we will create financing for them. And the Herity community will have the chance to enter that specific pool and grab that project's token as a seed investment. Now, this can be an opportunity because you're getting at the exact moment of the idea. And this is what we thought about. This is one of the, let's say, main products that we want to evolve here at Herity Network. The platform is still ongoing. We have actually started building it a couple of months ago. The other side of the project is it will be an NFT marketplace, but in a different way. It has a cool twist. Basically, we already have signed some good NFT artists. In my opinion, they're top 300. We have 2 of them, and we made a deal with them. And basically, they will be added on our platform, and they will add their NFTs on our platform at a discounted price. Meaning, you don't need to go over other platforms that usually, have an increased price with commission and so on and whatnot. Basically, we already have a deal with them, and they will lower the prices only for our community. Meaning, the Herity token holder can, get in and grab these NFTs at a discounted price. Now, here comes the twist. The twist actually is the fact that, and no one has thought about this, right? Let's listen me out. Basically, we wish to convert real artists from around the world, like painters, drawers, digital designers, anyone that has this artistic skill and they want to become themselves, they want to become NFT artists. And this is a great opportunity because we will provide free support and free technical advisory, and they will be listed on our, let's say, auction NFT place, meaning that they have the chance to sell their newly created NFT collections, and our community has the chance as well to grab them with a couple of bucks. Of course, with our help and marketing and promotion, we will increase the price of these NFT creations. So basically, anyone can get in and become an NFT artist, and of course, members of our communities have the chance to grab these new collections before they spike, because a lot of people were like, I was just looking at this NFT a couple of months back. Now it's $100,000. How the hell did I miss on this? And basically, this is what we're doing. We are giving these opportunities also to the artists, but also to our community. Of course, these are the main, let's say, platforms that we are trying to build. We will have a cool charity store. Basically, if you want to have a hoodie with Elon Musk saying something crazy about Bitcoin, you can order it on our store. We will ship it all around the world, and the prices will be affordable. Basically, all of the profits made will go directly towards let's say, charity. And speaking of charity, we have our own NGO. We all heard about, crypto projects sending the money towards invented charities. We have our own NGO, and we will list all of the documents, and we will present all of the documents to our community in a transparent way. So basically, also the European law requires us to present these documents as well. And this is what we're planning to do. I will leave the CEO to tell me if I missed something. I hope not.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, Alex. From the beginning, we have to emphasize the following. Every day we see a lot of scams in the crypto world. We are fully legal. Behind this project is a company, a registered company in European Union, and also an NGO. So we are fully compliant with the anti-money laundering and the GDPR, the privacy regulation. So it's clear for everyone that the risk of a rug pull is zero.
That's good to hear. And especially with your background, this project, just as a little bit of background, was started in Romania, correct?
Yes, that's correct. We're all Romanians from all around Romania. Some of us are within Romania, some of us are outside. We have a team of around 12 members, and they're brilliant individuals, and we only handpick the smart people to join our project.
Very nice. Yeah, lots of good crypto projects coming out of Romania. You got Elrond and a lot of things going on there.
Indeed.
Yeah, so a little bit more, I just want to hear a little bit more about the Launchpad in and of itself, and then if you guys could talk about how you've raised funds so far for Herity Network. But just if you were able to summarize the Launchpad and kind of show how it's different than others. On my channel, I recorded something called this Launchpad Ecosystem Map series, and it went through all the major Launchpads there, and there's so many different experiments going on with Polkadot, how they're launching projects, Cardano, and I'm curious to hear how you guys are kind of differentiating from those. And kind of the top dogs in the Launchpad space.
Of course, at the beginning, some people did not understood what we're planning to do, and I was telling them we are just a crazy mix between TrustSwap, BSC Pad, and of course Kickstarters. Is something different. What we will do, if you have, and I'm going to speak to your audience right now. Imagine I'm speaking to your audience. If you have a good idea, send us an email. We'll take care of it, and we will set up a meeting, a video call. As soon as we do the video call, we will push you to sign an NDA to protect your own idea. This is the first step to protect your incredible idea. Afterwards, we will discuss your idea. We will try to pull out only the best things out of it. And then we will put you into a specific process, meaning you will have to register a company in your home country. We need only legal companies, legal projects like we are right now. So this is a requirement that for the moment, some countries are mixed. They have mixed feelings regarding this. However, European Union has imposed these regulations. And I'm pretty sure that every other country by the end of 2022 will impose a KYC process on their platform as well. So you will need to become legal. So this is the next big deal and next step in the crypto world. After we have done that, we will help you evolve your project, and your idea will be presented to the first audience, meaning our community. You'll be put in a pool together with 2 or 3 other crypto projects. You'll have AMAs. You'll create your own audience, and the audience and our community will vote your project. Together with our voting system, the community will have 50%, we will have 50%, and we will put you on our Launchpad. Now, you're just a baby at this moment. If you're going to put you on the seed platform and raise some funds for your crypto idea. If you raise the funds, and of course we will help you with financing as well, you will be moved along the process, meaning from a little baby, we will try to grow you until you reach like 18, 21 years old, meaning you are fully grown and you can fly away in the world. This means that we will provide support all along the way with an ICO maybe on your platform or any other third party. With a listing on a DEX or a centralized exchange. So we will give you full support also until you will finish your product that you have promised your initial investors. So it is a kind of a hard process to go into with us. However, we will ensure you that, for example, your idea will reach a maturity and it will not dissolve like we have seen in other crypto projects. So basically, once you're in, when you get out, you will have a guarantee that your crypto project will be powerful and strong and can go out in the world.
Good. So it's almost more like an incubator rather than a launch pad. Like you guys are really
Yes.
kind of holding the hand of the project.
Yes.
I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's too many out there that it's just like, oh, you want to launch on like BSC, you just create a simple white paper, make a website within a day, and then, oh, you're good to launch. Like that, those are important to avoid. And I think quality over quantity in the Launchpad space is very, very important. So it's good to hear you guys have all of that set up. And especially with the legal background
yes.
that you have in Romania, I think that's very important.
That's good to hear. It was hard for us, and a lot of people thought we were crazy. However, we got full support, and we created an amazing community. We have over 4,000, let's say, followers on Telegram, users, active users, not fake ones. And of course, our social media is also growing very good, and the engagement is amazing. And of course, we went through the pre-sale one that was successful. We reached around 84.7%. We could have reached 100%. However, the time was out and we had to close the pre-sale one. It was really frustrating. If we kept it live for like 4 or 5 hours, we would have completed 100%. However, it is what it is. We are ready for pre-sale 2. So if you guys want to join, we will be more than happy to have you on our ecosystem, Herity Network ecosystem.
Nice. And how exactly, so this kind of second pre-sale that's going on after your seed rounds, how are people able to access that?
Basically, they just need to go on our platform. Actually, they need to visit our website, herity.io. As soon as they register an account, they'll be sent to our platform. They will have to pass a very simple KYC, meaning a photograph of your ID, your driver's license, or maybe your social security number card, or anything else, a passport even, and then hold the ID next to your chest right over here, and the KYC has passed. We have a specialized staff that is licensed to handle sensitive data. So don't worry, your data will be protected according to European Romanian law. Do not worry about that. As soon as the KYC is passed, they need to include their BEP20 or the Binance Smart Chain address in the receiving wallet, and then complete an order on the platform. As soon as the order is completed, they will receive a QR code or actually the address, and they will need to make an offline payment from their Trust Wallet or MetaMask with BNB, also on BEP20 Smart Chain mainnet. The reason we have done this is that a lot of our audience is pretty much beginners in the crypto world, and we will help them create. If they don't have a Trust Wallet or MetaMask, we will help them create it. Basically, we want to give the chance to non-crypto individuals to enter the crypto world and their first transaction to be with us. So this is actually a dream come true, because more than 70% of our current community is non-crypto, and I'm pretty sure that they all know how to defend themselves against scammers, against viruses, and so on. We have a lot of learning material that we can give them to protect their investment as well.
That's good to hear. The focus on security is one of the most important things. And for you guys actually like to have a usable product where you're launching new projects off of that, what is the time frame? Is that kind of mid 2022?
Basically, we had a meeting a couple of days ago. We are planning to launch both of the platforms in Q1 2022. This means in just a couple of months. But it doesn't depend solely on us. We need the IT department to handle this certain situation. But our aim is to deliver them in the first quarter of 2022, meaning in a couple of months. Yeah.
Okay. And is there any other launch pads out there that you think are maybe is your biggest competitor? Like when you looked at the market, I know you talked about how you kind of did the combination of all of these, but is there one other out there that you're like, this is the one that we feel like we can beat, or like have a...
Of course, there are other players on the market. However, with us, we are fully legal, and the projects that we will deliver will be legal. This actually makes us different, and the vetting process is a little bit harder than what you can see on other pads. I will not say any names, okay?
Yeah, oh, no problem. But no, I think that is interesting, because there's really not that many. I don't know if there's any out there that have the actual project themselves create a legal entity, which is important for international investing. Like that's one of the biggest things. Yeah, so that's interesting to hear. Well, is there anything else you guys would like to add?
The thing is that a lot of people will ask us, why did you thought about two projects at the same time, two platforms at the same time? It's pretty crazy. Well, it's not, because the NFT platform is actually a backup of cash flow in our project. Because if we go into a bear market, our NFT platform will boom. Because as we've seen, the NFT market was not influenced by the let's say the crypto bear market. So that will give us and provide us a steady cash flow along the way, meaning we have these two right hand, the right and left hand, like in boxing. We will punch that price and hopefully it will reach higher levels. Basically, we will have two streams of cash flow coming in, not just one. So that gives us a little bit more chance than other projects.
Good to hear. Good to hear. Is there anything else?
Yeah, I think it's important to add, Riley, that we intend to implement also in at the end of first quarter in 2022 the Fiat payment. So we will try to integrate a platform when users can use their bank cards to buy Herity network token. And also we want to migrate slowly to the decentralized finance area, and also to the gaming and metaverse, maybe in quarter 2 and 3 in 2022.
Yeah, we're already discussing possible partnerships, also payments processors. We cannot tell them their names because of the NDA. However, we are in discussions, and it is one of our, let's say, goals and targets to have fiat payments with credit cards or debit cards using a third-party payment processor as well.
Good to hear. Very nice. That's pretty exciting. I mean, that's going to be massive if you can actually onboard people that are brand new. Because right now, I mean, it's basically like you have to go into an exchange, you have to hook up your bank account, take from there to maybe a DeFi wallet, then buy Herity token. But yeah, if you have that on, that could onboard a bunch of users. So it'll be interesting for the people that kind of are able to access a project like this early. And then when you have kind of catalysts like that moving forward, that's it's pretty impressive.
Of course, it is. It is a hard project. However, we just realized we have a gold mine on our hands, and the thing is that we look towards our community. So the community is very important for us because it will help us make the right decisions. We will not make a decision based on our, let's say, thoughts, but we will take in the feedback from the community in order to make a final call.
Nice. That's awesome. Well, it was great talking with you guys. I'm excited things for the future of Herity. So thanks again.
Thank you, Riley. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.